I hope you have your fat pants ready, because we're cooking something epic. Hey, what's up? Welcome to my kitchen. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Now today, I'm doing an epic burger collaboration with several other channels. We got What's New Barbecue, we got The Real Show Barbecue, we got Cooking with CJ, we got That's Not Another Cooking Show, and Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. So my buddy Kenneth over there at What's New Barbecue asked me if I wanted to do this collaboration. As soon as he asked me, he didn't have to get an answer. I was already in. You know, I've been wanting to work with him, along with Cooking with CJ, and Scott over there at The Real Show Barbecue. Okay, Kirby, enough of the rambling. Let's get to cooking. So I'm gonna be making a sauce for our burgers today. I'm gonna be using Thousand Island dressing. Then I'm gonna be putting in some pickles that I just chopped. Give it that little texture bite there as you get the little bits of pickle. And to kick it up, I'm gonna put a little bit of Louisiana hot sauce in there. Okay. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge and let this thicken up. All right, so for our patties, I wanna say they're roughly about a quarter of a pound, maybe a little bit more. I wanted them beefy. I wanted a good sized patty to work with. So all I'm gonna be doing to these is I'm gonna just season them with salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic powder. Okay, so for that first part, we're just gonna give it a little tap to get that pepper and everything in there. Because I'm gonna be cooking these on a cast iron griddle, so that way it can make that crust. And then as we put it on the griddle, I'm gonna give it another seasoning on the other side. So I'm gonna be putting these burgers on some Hawaiian buns. Alright, looks like our cast iron griddle is getting hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be buttering these buns with some melted butter. Let that go for about a minute or so. And put some on this other side here. Got our toasted buns already. So let's get to those burgers. Alright, so I'm gonna let these burgers cook for about 3.5 minutes per side. I want to try to get a medium. If you want it a little bit rarer, just go ahead and cook it less. At this point, you want to add your salt and pepper and garlic powder on the other side. Alright, so now we're going to give it a flip. Perfect. Alright, same thing. I'm going to let these cook for 3.5 minutes. So right now is when we're going to put our cheese on. Let that start melting. Alright, so it's time to get these puppies off. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes and I let the patties rest. So let's go ahead and start building our burger. Go ahead and lay down some of our meat. Let's go ahead and put some of that Thousand Island sauce with the hot sauce in there and pickles. One nice big tomato. Yeah, about 3 of purple onion. Now the reason why I put the sauce on top is because I like to stick my lettuce right there. That way that first lettuce is gonna stick to the bread. So now we just gotta top it like that. Alright, so there's my burger for the Epic Burger collaboration. Alright guys, this is my Epic Burger. Now you're wondering, how am I gonna eat this thing? Easy. Elbows up, wide open mouth, and go in for it. This thing is packed with flavor. Now I'm messing. Excuse me. Mama taught me not to talk with my mouth full. This burger is epic. Man, that was probably the most epic taste test I've ever done. I got a real big juicy meat, and I'm talking about juicy. A lot of juices came out of the thing. I got stuff on the floor I need to clean up. You got the oozing cheese. You got all the fresh produce from the tomato, the purple onion, and the romaine lettuce. And then that spicy Thousand Island, and then with the little pickle bites, was awesome. You know, I still have a whole burger to eat, and it's gonna be a good dinner, I tell you that right now. I want to thank Kenneth though at What's New Barbecue for starting this collaboration, and also the other channels for getting involved. This was a really epic video to make, and I had a lot of fun with it, and I got an awesome burger out of it. Now I will leave a link to their videos in the video description of mine, and then also in the iCard, so you might see it up here, right here on this side. So go ahead and check out their videos, and that way you can see their epic burger. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and click the bell, so that way every time I drop a video, you see what's going on. I have a lot of creativity and I love cooking food. So if you have that passion, join the club. So do me a favor, hit that like button. Share this video with your friends down on Facebook. And comment, let me know what you think. So that's it for today, folks. You have a good one and take care.